My uncle made this.
What's up, YouTube? Y'all know what it is, and y'all know who it is. It's your boy, TexazMane, checking in the game music mode. Hope y'all having a good week. Start things off right. Your boy was catching L's, caught all L's on the foot apps, but he came back with a strong comeback, man. I did the Babe Ruth thing, man. Knocked him out the park.
I'm the great Bambino.
Hit on sneakers back-to-back days, bro. This pair of hairs, you can tell by the title, is them UNC1 things, bro. The patent leather things. I can't believe I hit, man. So many people caught L's. I think I'm the only person that I know out of all my sneakerhead buddies. Even my co-workers at work talk about kicks too, man. They all caught L's too, man. Like, it's crazy how many people got L's. But I caught that dub, man. It's long overdue for your boy, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking a little raggedy, probably a little sweaty, man. Just got home from the gym, but I'm gonna do this real quick because it's already late. I got them LeBron things, soldier things on foots. I'll show y'all in a second.
It's like a disease. Yeah.
That's what I worked out in. Didn't do no cardio, just been hitting the weights, man. Of course, before I open this, y'all know this box is too little to be my size. But let's get more into it when we open it. Also, Nike's still doing this stupid stuff, man. Putting this tape on here. This Just Do It.
You're killing me, Smalls.
This invitation to steal me. StealMeNowPackage.com, man. That's what this is right here. Just Do It. Got my Addy on this side. Let's go ahead and crack it open. Push that guy down. Pull that tape off.
Looking for a looker, I'm looking for a looker. Everywhere I go, man, I'm looking for a
Colorway Obsidian, Blue Chill, and White. USD 160 of them smackaroos. This is my wife's pair of hair. Of course, I can't wear them. I got a big ass foot, size 12 in the men's. These only went up to a size 12 in women's, which is a 10.5 in men's. There were some pairs on StockX that were a size 14 women's, which is a 12 in men's. Whoever got those probably like had a friends and family pair or a special pair made for them. I don't know, but they're like at 2 G's the last time I checked. Ain't nobody paying that for no kicks. Well, I'm not at least. Don't forget to smash that notification bell. Check out my last video I did, man, the on foots of the Chinese New Year's. Oh my God, smell magnificent. Oh my God, bro. Bro. Oh my God, Lee. These things are ridiculous, bro. Oh my goodness. Can y'all see this? Oh my God. Oh my goodness, bro. These are crazy. Oh my God. Bro, when I tell you pictures do not do these things justice, I mean pictures don't do these things justice. Oh my God. Look at that up close. Can y'all see that good? Damn, bro. Like, oh my goodness. Bro, these are freaking beautiful, man. Oh my God. I wish I could wear a 10.5, bro. Damn, bro. Like, oh, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. This is like, you remember them gold patent leather mids that I just got, bro? Like, this is killing that, bro. Like, and those are a 5. Bro, this ain't even a 5, bro. This is like a 10 on a scale 1 to 5, bro. This is crazy right here. For those of y'all who do not know me or never watched my channel before, blue is my favorite color and ones are my favorite silhouette. Bro, this is a straight dime piece right here, bro. Like, oh my God, bro. Like, I'm telling you, pictures, they look nice on the pictures. But when you see these things in person, bro, I'm not even gonna front. These are harder than the gold toes, bro. Like, man, bro, I can't even get over how clean these are. The execution is freaking ridiculous, bro. Like, we need our men's pair already, man. Like, for real, for real. I'm not jealous of nobody, but I'm jealous of you guys that wear 10.5s and you got these. This is straight up ridiculous clean, bro. I don't know how they're gonna top this, bro, in patent leather, just being honest with you, man. Like, it's gonna, I don't know, man. Like, I'm pretty sure they can. They might be able to. I'm saying that now, but I just don't see them topping this for me, you know, because I love blue. I don't know about you. Now, as you can see, we're going to get to the shoe, right? Enough of me drooling and salivating, right? Toe box is blue, baby blue. Blue stars like Pretty Ricky and the All-Stars and the Mavericks. Patent leather is a navy blue, which is clean. So you got your navy and your baby blue, you know, complementing each other. Your bottom sole is baby blue. I love that, bro. Like, that's crazy. Like, to me, this is, I hate to say this, but this colorway, the way they executed this is better than the off-white UNCs, man. I didn't think I'd ever say that, but I think this colorway is harder than the off. And I have the off-white UNCs, but I don't know, man. This colorway is sick, bro. I know a lot of people don't like patent leather because it's too glossy. Some people think it's gaudy, but this is fire, bro. Like, man, bro, this is a must-have. If you got a wife or a girlfriend, or you're a male and you can wear a 10.5, 11, this is a must-have, bro. If you collect ones, if you don't collect ones, then you don't want these. Another thing I gotta say is with patent leather, in my case, I got a wide foot. If you got a wide foot, patent leather, I'd probably go up a half size, if not a full size, just because of the leather doesn't give. You know, with regular leather, the leather, you can move your foot around more. Patent leather, man, it's like stuck in there, bro. So a lot of people, you'll hear a lot of people more complaints with patent leather than anything because your feet can't move around. They can't get adjusted right. But it's just beautiful. And they also crease easy. That's the bad thing about patent leather. That's why a lot of people don't like it. Write down in the comments below, do you think this release was better than the Turbo Greens? Or the Turbo Greens was better than this release? Y'all hang tight. Let me go ahead and roll that B-roll. So what, man? Did you get these things or what? Did you strike out? Did you take an L or did you get a dub? What's up, bro? You got the quick fingers or you don't? Your bow-leggedness in the back, you know what's there, man. You already know what to expect, man, when you see me talking about these ones, baby. Everything is super clean. I like the tongue, too, because everything's perfect. It's not overly done. The tongue has the Nike Air in white on there, and it's thick. Let me test out the collar, man. The ankle collar is not that thick, man. You know, I gotta say, it's pretty thin, man, for a pair of ones. Pretty thin, bro. Like, it don't really got that much support that you be used to. The Wings logo, to me, that Wings logo is the only thing that could have been a little nicer to me. Maybe a white Wings logo or a navy blue would have set it off a little bit better. It's still pretty cool. It's just not what I'm used to, man. I'm expecting the Wings logo to pop. Maybe even like a silver or something. I don't know. Something to offset it. I don't know. That's kind of bland. That's the only complaint I have about this shoe. It's not really even a complaint. Your GS sizes do not come, unfortunately, with an extra laces. And I got finesse for the Jordan sticker, so there's no Jordan decal in my shoebox. And this pair did come from Nike, so I don't know. These things are hitting right now. If you want these, I wouldn't get them right now. Wait till the prices go down. They're actually very limited. When more pairs get out there, the price should drop. So you might want to wait. That's just honestly, man. You might want to wait. But you don't want to wait too long on limited stuff. Because once you wait and then the pairs start getting sucked up, then the price increases because there's more demand for the volume, you know what I mean? Your bottom sole is navy blue too, so it's not really nothing to see, and then it says Nike Air in there. Overall, dope, clean shoe, man. Like, super clean. This has to be the best women's release to come out in a long time. I'm gonna say overall, fantastic shoe, man. As I've been telling y'all and trying to explain to y'all, this is a perfect 5, man. And I try to keep it just as a women's release thing. But this is the best one release in a long time, bro. Like, Turbo Greens are fire. A lot of the releases have been fire that came out, but this colorway is like sick, bro. I don't know if it's because it's blue and I'm biased to blue, man, but this colorway is crazy sick, bro. Like, the execution again is outstanding. Hey, I don't want to make this video too long. I gotta go to bed anyways, man. I gotta go to work in the morning. I want to tell y'all, don't forget to like if you will, subscribe if you're trill. Till next time, we're about this thing.